Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Whitney. I'm currently on the road with my boyfriend, traveling in a U-Haul through the South in search of the best barbecue and fried food. We have been traveling for a few days now and we're finally in Georgia. We are switching it up this vlog. We found the best wing and fried fish restaurants the Atlanta region has to offer. Now let's go eat. The original JR Crickets. Oh! Hi! Aftermath of JR Crickets. Those wings hit. We got one lemon pepper wing left. May it rest.
He gets to live.
Yeah, may it rest not in peace. Or not in my stomach. It will rest in peace.
Chicken's not walking around with one leg.
Still have a lot of fries, but I ate the last fries. But yeah, we went in on this wing. So how are we judging the fried food? I'm glad you asked. It's not that far off on how we are judging the barbecue, but we are limited to 3 categories: flavor, texture, and presentation. In order to get a perfect 10 on flavor, the meat has to be fresh and the batter has to have the perfect blend of seasoning. In order to be a perfect 10 on the texture, the meat has to be tender and juicy and be surrounded by a flawless, crunchy fried batter. And finally, in order to get a perfect 10 on presentation, the fried bits must adhere to the meat and any additional items must contribute and be pleasing to the eye. JR Crickets definitely had a vibe. I've watched the show Atlanta and vividly remember the scene on when they went to JR Crickets, and that honestly inspired me to experience the wing for myself. The flavor of the wing stood out between all categories. I ordered the buffalo and the lemony pepper wet, and while both were good, the lemony pepper wet wings were the best wings I've ever had. I normally don't even eat lemon pepper wings, but after taking my boyfriend's advice, I had to try them, and now I know why JR Crickets has an outstanding reputation. We are on our way to World of Coke. I've been, but he has not, so we're about to experience it together. Go Coke. I'm Team Coke, if anyone didn't know. I will die Team Coke. That's a little bit dramatic, but I think Coke is great. So hopefully we have fun today. was good. Sorry. Oh, that's good. I really like that one. Oh, too carbony. Tastes like medicine. We did it. How do you feel?
Bloated.
I feel unwell too much sugar, and I'm the sugar girl. But fun experience. Hands are sticky, and tummy is full. But we had fun. So yeah. Atlanta rain. Woo! Outfit for dinner. Target. Diane Van Vostenberg. DVF. That lady. No disrespect to her. I just don't know how to spell her last name or say her last name, but this is her set from Target. We got a... What purse is this? Do I like this purse with this outfit? Nope, I don't. Let me go change it. Hey, y'all. Look at my outfit for dinner. Just threw it together. I have not worn this set yet. It's from Target. Yeah, I think it's cute. I also got Target shoes on. They're not my favorite, but they're white, and I feel like I have to wear white shoes with this. And then I have this green pouch from Quince. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, dinner ready. Got them hush puppies. They look good. All right, ready to eat one? Ooh, they're crispy. See the inside. Ooh, I think there's crab in there. Yummy. So we have the fried fish platter with the Caesar salad, cilantro, lime rice, and tartar sauce. And he got the fish and chips with Cajun French fries and coleslaw. Yummy. Y'all, this catfish was to die for. It hit the spot. It was on point. A plus. Damn. The seasoning was like honestly perfect, and the crispy batter edge just really paired well with the fluffiness of the catfish. Big B's fish joint was the ultimate sit-down experience. When you enter the restaurant, you feel like you've been transported to an elegant beach town. The service and food also match that peaceful and elevated vibe. I ordered the catfish, and it was honestly the best catfish I've had. The chef took their time on developing a standout seasoning and cooked the catfish to perfection. Every bite held its own, and it honestly did not need the tartar sauce. I called Big B's a triple threat because all the categories shine and were held to the same standards. Y'all know what time it is. It's ranking time. Here you go, folks. Atlanta did not come to play. Although both experiences were completely different, they scored high on flavor, which I think is one of the most important aspects of producing a quality bite. Big B's triple threat came out on top, but I would highly recommend both places if you're in the Atlanta area. Y'all, I got y'all zoomed in on this 3-layer chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, it's a vanilla ice cream. Ooh, child, I'm about to go in on this. I'll report back after I finish. Yeah, just me. I'll let Elias have a bite, but this is all me, baby. All right, y'all, I did it. I think I ate this in like 6 minutes. Elias said none. I totally forgot. I totally forgot about him. But he said he was full anyways.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I gave him some of my catfish. I'm a good girlfriend. All right, honestly,
I've taken this shot like 5 times. But I'm tired. I'm full. And I'm ready for bed. I hope y'all have a great night. And I'm going to have a really good night going to bed. I will see y'all in Alabama. Bye.